In this video, I'm going to be covering how we can use the Path Profile tool in SOOTHSAYER. The Path Profile tool is a useful feature for identifying the coverage at a specific point. To open the Path Profile tool, press the Path Profile tool icon in the top ribbon. A window will open at the bottom of the page. You can then press on a location or identify the coverage at that location. Our results show an RSSI of minus 70 decibels, along with clear line of sight and a clear Fresnel zone. We can also see the terrain features in the signal's path. We also had the option to export this as a KMZ or PNG file. We can carry out another calculation simply by clicking another location on the map. This time we can see that we've reduced signal coverage as well as an infringed Fresnel zone. We can also enter the coordinates of a specific location within the mobile receiver window. These can be typed in or copied in my case. Pressing Start Calculate will run the calculation. In the next example, we can see that our line of sight and Fresnel zone are both impeded. This is partially due to the trees which lay in the terrain profile. I'm now going to download the PNG of this calculation. This PNG gives us a lot of information about the transmitter, receiver, as well as any obstacles in the signal's path. Exporting the calculation as a KMZ allows it to be opened up in Google Earth. We can now see our calculation shown, along with any obstacles blocking line of sight.